people just see grass, but there is a hidden side to Everglades National Park. The Everglades is pure, untamed magic. If you are seeking a quiet escape, look elsewhere. But if you want to step into another world, this is it. Travelers consistently say the sheer scale of this ecosystem is breathtaking, though they all agree preparation is non-negotiable. The collective verdict is clear. Skip the solo wandering and book a guided experience to actually see the magic. People frequently recommend the Manatees and Mangrove Tunnels small group kayak tour, noting how the unique route brings you incredibly close to nature. If you prefer moving through the water with more speed, travelers highly suggest the 10,000 Islands boat tour up to 12 people to explore the waterways around Marco Island. For something even more hands-on, visitors point to Backwater Adventures CraigCat tours of the 10,000 Islands, where you operate your own two-person catamaran through winding, narrow paths. The guides are widely considered the real stars here. Travelers frequently praise guides like Armand and Ryan, mentioning how their deep knowledge of local history and biology transforms a simple boat ride into an immersive educational adventure. Many also highlight the relaxing rhythm of spotting dolphins, ospreys, and eagles during the 2-hour Everglades dolphin, manatee, and birding boat tour. A few practical realities for your planning. First, always stay on designated trails and boardwalks. Travelers warn that staying on the paths is essential to avoid getting lost or encountering dangerous wildlife. Second, budget roughly $90 to $130 if you want those highly rated boat or kayak excursions. While there is no perfect time of year, the humidity is intense, so travelers suggest bringing plenty of water and bug spray. You could easily spend 2 or 3 days here, balancing airboat rides with kayaking. It is a raw, immersive landscape that stays with you long after you leave the swamp. So yeah, that's Everglades National Park for you. I'm totally in love with this place. Plan your accessible trip at AccessTravel.com. Link in the description, pinned comment, and bio.